Hello, my beautiful souls. I am Achal Verma and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Beyond Sense. I thank to those who have already subscribed my channel and requesting others to become the part of my family by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon for future notifications. So today I am here with a pick a pile reading for for the month of December 2021. So in this pick a pile reading, I would be covering how in general your December month is going to be, and then I would be telling you about your relationship status. Then I would be telling you about your finances, your career, your health. Then also I would be giving you a positive affirmation that you need to chant throughout this month, and also the message from the universe. So now here are the three piles. This is pile 1. I have kept to make it more easy, I have kept 3 charms for you, as you all can see. So the for pile 1 it is Statue of Liberty. For pile 2 it is the Wheel of Fortune. And for pile 3 it is the Cage. Okay, so whichever pile attracts you or whichever charm attracts you, you can take a minute of yours and then select. Okay, so let's see the reading for pile 1. So those who have selected pile 1, here is the charm for them, the Statue of Liberty. So the Statue of Liberty, looking at this, don't you see, don't you feel, guys, that it calls for a victory? The lady holding a lamp, holding a torch, I feel that there is a lot of victory that is going to take place in December month for pile 1. Also I feel that this charm, it indicates a lot of enlightenment that is going to happen in December month for pile 1. This enlightenment will show pile 1 the way of freedom and liberty. Okay, and also, as I said, it also calls for victory. She's holding a book, she's holding a torch, so maybe you people will be showing part to others, or maybe you will be introspecting in self and getting the answers, and get a lot of enlightenment that is going to happen this month for December month for pile 1. So let's see the cards. Let me keep the charm aside. So first I would be starting with tarot cards. Okay, so how is your December week going to be? Then I would be talking about the finances. Okay, let me keep it here for you. Then I would be talking about the career, your health, and one thing that pile 1 needs to surrender in December 2021. So those who have selected pile 1, let's see how your December 2021 is going to be. So looking at the card, what I feel is there is a lot of things that pile 1 people you are holding back, and which is blocking your way to take new beginnings. Okay, so if you are going to continue that, if you're going to allow your fears to block your way, and if you are going to set limitation for yourself, this will create a problem for you to take new beginnings. Okay, and it will also block your way to grab some important opportunities that are going to come your way. You need to trust yourself more, and you need to take decision and if you are taking any kind of decision, you need to take action also. So what I feel, a lot of procrastinating is happening. A lot of people are only procrastinating and only planning and planning. There is no action in this, what I feel. So in order to grow, in order to grab the opportunity, in order to make new beginnings, you need to come out of that procrastination and you need to work on your planning. Okay. Many of you would be facing a lot of anxiety issue. There will be a lot of stress. It could be in terms of relationship. There are a lot of people who are facing problems in relationship. Maybe there is no communication with the partner, that I feel. A lot of withdrawal that is happening, from the situation. And the month says that if you feel that the relationship is not your self-worth, and if it's not serving the purpose, so it's time for you to get free out of that relationship. Okay. And also, if you feel that you are taking a step to improvise your relationship, so you need to take actions. Okay, do not plan and keep it aside. You need to take action and to improvise your relationship. And if you think that you need to quit, so this is the time to take action and quit the relationship. Okay. A lot of people who will be facing anxiety and depression, what I feel. So to overcome this depression and anxiety, you need to pile one, practice lot of meditation, because there is a lot of withdrawal that is happening over here. Okay, so you will feel that you're not going to talk to someone. You need a me time, you need a aloof time. So for this, to overcome this fear, limitation, anxiety, you need to practice some meditation techniques to come out of this and feel better, and to feel better. Also, you need to let go your past. Do not carry your past ahead. You need to let go the past events, even if it's painful. Okay, even the events are painful. Even if in the relationship anyone has said anything to you, if it's your partner, you need to let go in order to grab new opportunities. Okay, which is blocking your way. So the moment you will start let go the painful situations, the blockages, you will be attracting new opportunities. Okay. And 10 of swords also indicates ending of darkness. Whatever bad was going to happen, it has happened. Now it is the time for new beginning. Only if you allow yourself to grow and take actions and let go your past. Also, what I feel, that now it is the time to step back and as you're not what I feel looking at this card, that you are not able to express their feeling, as this is a card of withdrawal. So even though if you will try to express, you will not be able to express your feelings and your emotions to others. So now it's the time to step back, introspect within, relax and plan for how to improvise your relationship, how to improvise your current situation which you are stuck into. So heal more. This month for pile 1 is more of healing, healing of past, healing of your fears, healing of your anxiety, depression. So the entire month you will be healing your past issues. You will be healing your self area, which I feel, because as you see, all the chakras over here are blocked. Okay, so you need to practice chakra meditation also, which I feel. Okay, so you need to do your aura cleansing. Lot of negativity that is there in you, so a lot of meditation. Practice more of meditation the entire month and trust your intuition. Be calm and patient. And one more thing, do not share your secret. See, all the cards are negative, but then there is one thing, that major changes are going to take place only if you listen to your intuition. Okay, so you need to listen to your intuitions. Okay, you need to introspect within, you need to balance your energies, and maybe what I feel, after this new moon, you will be able to, listen, you will be able to connect more to your intuitions. The entire December month, pile 1, you will be connecting to yourself, your intuition. You will be listening to your vibrations, and you will be trying to connect to the higher self. Okay, so practice more meditation. The answer for your problems is in your meditation only. Okay, so now let's see how will be your finances. Let me just take the card a little up for pile 1. Now let me take you to the finances. So finances for pile 1 is 9 of waters. So do not worry, your wish is going to come true in terms of finances. Okay, so for file 1, your hard work is going to pay off. All the concerns regarding your finances, they will be cleared, and it is a self satisfaction month for pile 1 in terms of finances. Now is the time to sit back and wait for your rewards. So do not worry. Let's see the career that is going to come your way. What is the career guidance for pile 1? Balance. Okay, so looking at the cards above, the career guidance is you need to balance. What I feel is, pile 1, you are not able to keep a balance between your personal and professional life. So as the card says, that you are facing a lot of anxiety and stress and depression, and there is a lot of thing that is happening in your relationship also. So it talks about the withdrawal, which is impacting your professional life also. So that is the reason angels are saying you to keep a balance between your professional and personal life. Okay, for some you will be what I feel is, you're making very impulsive decisions. So wait guys, do not be so impulsive at the moment. Angels are trying to tell you that you need to relax, calm your energies down. Okay, and you need to take a balance and appropriate steps in your career. Okay, you need to work with others also. You need to learn how to keep a balance with your colleagues. You need to listen their point of view also, and you need to cooperate with them while in terms of career. Okay, if you are in any job or if you are in any partnership, so you need to balance that relationship, and you need to cooperate with their energies, and you need to work, though your current energies are stressed, but the other partners energies are balanced. So you need to balance yourself while working with them. Okay, also what I feel, that if someone at the present stage is confused related to what career they should be selecting, so looking at this card, I feel they could select teaching as their career. They could be a good advisor, they could be good in healing, a lot of healing. See, a lot of healing that is going to happen this month. A lot of people can, as I said, the charm also talks about enlightenment. Okay, so how good, how really it is connecting. Charm talks about enlightenment, this card talks about intuition and enlightenment. The balance, this card's career card also talks about enlightenment and spiritual path. So if you are planning to enroll yourself and become yourself as a healer, so this is the month. Enroll yourself in a kind of a healing activities, meditation activities, and also if you think that you need to take your career as a healer, so this is the right time for you to practice that career. Okay. Also, manage your money properly in future. Okay, so though what I feel that you would be benefited in terms of finances are going to be very good for pile 1, but in order to, like, you need to spend it wisely. Okay, you need to maintain that balance, so do not be impulsive while spending, and balance your energy and spend your money wisely in future. Now let's see how your health is going to be in this month, December. Count your blessings. Okay, so a lot of healing is going to happen. Even in the health, it talks about healing. I will tell you one trick, why this count your blessings, as in the moment you will journal your thoughts. Journal is one of the best way to heal yourself. So angels are trying to tell you that journal your thoughts. So maybe pile 1, you people are not paying gratitude to the universe of what you have. Rather, you are just cribbing and crying over the opportunities which you don't have, and over the things which you don't have in your life. So be thankful first to the universe of what you have. Write it down, pay gratitude to the universe. Okay, and then see the magic that how it unfolds for you. Okay, so whatever problem, whatever anxiety you are facing, whatever depression you are facing, just write it down. Okay, write your feelings and say whatever it is, dear my universe, I am really happy that you have blessed me. A lot of green color, I feel green color is a color of healing. So connect to Archangel Raphael, Archangel Zekiel. A lot of let go is going to happen this month, and you need to let go of all your fears and anxiety and depression, and you need to journal your thoughts in order to have a great health ahead. Okay, so what you need to surrender? Oh my god, look at this. Stop, surrender procrastinating. As I was really telling you that there is no plan, there is no action that is happening in pile 1. There is a lot of lack of action in pile 1. Okay, lot of things you are planning and planning, but procrastinating. Okay, but you are not taking actions. Okay, and you are only in terms of health, in terms of money and everything, you are just procrastinating. ऐसा होगा, वैसा होगा, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, but then this is the time to take action. So even the universe is trying to tell you, stop procrastinating, surrender the fear of fear, surrender the anxiety, surrender procrastinating. Now it is the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Okay, so many of you are just planning and keeping it, and you're just dreaming and procrastinating. Okay, and delaying things. Okay, we will do, but no, now it's the time for you to take action. As I said, 10 of swords also talk about ending of darkness and beginning of new version or new things. Only if you stop procrastinate and you take steps in order for grab new opportunity and new beginnings. Okay, so here also it says take actions. Uh, if you take actions, it will attract success. Okay, so now let me see, I have one more thing for you. As I said in the video, I will be taking a universal message for you. So dear God, Goddess, Archangel, what is the message from the universe for pile 1? Let's see. The universe is in love with how beautiful and radiant you are. So now see how beautifully it is connecting. Let me take the cards over here. Okay, so as you can see, the universe is in love with how beautiful and radiant you are. So the more you will meditate, the more positive vibrations you would be spreading around, and universe is trying to tell you, do not worry, we are with you. And meditation is going to heal, and it is going to make people love you, and make your vibrations more radiant and beautiful. Okay, also one more card I'm going to take for you, that is the positive affirmations that you need to chant throughout the December month in order to keep yourself motivated. So let's see what is that. I let go of limitations and recognize the true beauty of being. Oh my god, don't tell me. See, um, look at the affirmation. I am continuously telling pile 1, let go of things, let go of limitation, let go of fear. And see, even the positive affirmation is it's so beautifully the cards are connected. I let go of limitation and recognize the true beauty of my being. So this is one thing that you are going to chant the entire December month. And I visualize all my limitations falling away one by one. So you are going to just when you are going to meditate, you're going to just see and visualize that all your limitations, all your boundaries, you are just cutting it off, cut, and you are just saying, now I am free and I am ready to take action until I am safe, healed and whole. So this is the positive affirmation that you are going to chant the entire month. Okay, so mantra for pile 1 is that you need to let go all your fear, stress and anxiety in order to grab new opportunities and new beginnings. Okay, so this was the reading for pile 1. Hope it resonates with you. Take what resonates, leave the rest behind, and do subscribe my channel, Beyond Sense. Thank you. Okay, so those who have selected pile 2, here is the charm, the Wheel of Fortune. It indicates that something in your life is going to change. Okay, so let's see where this wheel is going to take you, where your destiny is written, and what all changes are written in your the cards for December 2021. Okay, let me keep this aside. So first I will be taking the tarot cards for you. Okay, so let's start with the reading. I hope you can see the cards. Okay, so those who have selected pile 2, let's see how your December month 2021 is going to be. So looking at the card, I feel that now is the time to surrender your worries to universe. Okay, so whatever things are not happening in your favor, now this is the time to surrender your worries to universe and accept what is happening. Also what I feel, can you see this man is upside down? So you need to look things in a different perspective. Okay, you need to look at the situation in a different perspective. Instead of blaming yourself for the situation, see the different perspective. Maybe at present the current situation needs a different perspective and different ideas to work on. So stop blaming yourself, stop self-doubting, and see in a different perspective. That may help, and stop blaming yourself. Also what I feel, if if the relationship is not working well, okay, also what I feel that this is not the right time to make any kind of changes either in your life or in your relationship. Because at present you or either your partner is not ready for the commitment. Okay. um, Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so now this is not the correct time to do any changes in your life, as you or your partner is not ready for any kind of a commitment. Okay, so what I feel that there is a lot of casual things that is happening, and go with the flow, as the charm also says, the wheel of the fortune. Okay, go with the flow. Okay, do not make any changes at present, and try to keep your things secret, as you know people might take a disadvantage, or they might steal your ideas, related to any aspects. Also, there is some kind of a good news that is going to come your way, definitely, and it will be in that news will be coming your way, and it will bring you a new perspective, it will give you a new way to see the life. Okay, if you are, it also shows a childbirth if you are pregnant, so there could be news of someone giving a birth to a child. There could be a news of pregnancy. There some kind of a news that is going to some kind of a good news that is going to come your way this month. uh, Also, stop behaving immature. What I feel, that group pile 2, that you people are behaving a lot of you're behaving in a lot of immature way, so stop behaving yourself. This pile talks a lot of about yourself. Okay, as a person. So as a person, the things are getting delayed. Maybe the things which you are trying, you need to change your perspective. Now let's see the finances. What finances, how is the finance for pile 2? Let me shift the card up so that you can see it properly. 3 of fire, abundance. Wow, pile 2, abundance is going to come your way in December 2021. All your hard work, is going to pay soon, though in December the things are getting delayed. Okay, there can be a delay in finance also. As I said, definitely there is abundance that is going to come your way in terms of finances, but looking at the cards, I feel there can be some kind of a delay. Okay, maybe in the later half of the December month, you will be able to get your good news that I said. It could be in terms of your finances also. Okay, and but you need to be patient at the very same time. Okay, though the abundance is going to come your way, but it could get delayed also due to some reasons. That is the reason I told you to look things in a different perspective, see the things in different perspective. But definitely there is some kind of a good news that is going to come. Also, what I feel, there is lot of traveling that is going to happen this month also. Okay, if you are making any travel plans, maybe in terms of your relationship, maybe in terms of your finances or career, there's a lot of travel that is going to take place. Also, looking at this abundance that is going to come your way, many of you would be investing your money in some or the other way, and investing in terms of securing your long term plans. Okay, so you would be investing in some kind of plans that you are going to make for your long term, and this is the golden time for your celebration and success. So definitely there is a good news that is going to come your way in terms of finances also, but there are possibilities of it getting delayed. Okay, so you need to keep patience. Okay, patience are required. So now let's see your career. 6 of fire. Okay, wow. Though the card says delay, though the card says to see in a different perspective, um, but what I feel, looking at your finances and your career, it is going to be awesome. Okay, there's a lot of abundance, there is a lot of victory that is going to take place, there is a lot of public recognition and rewards that are going to happen in this month for pile 2. Okay, good news is on your way. See, I told you how well it is connected. Page of wands and page of cups, definitely there is some kind of a offer that is going to come your way, and that is going to lead you to public recognitions, or it could be in term of any abundance or offer, or it could be a promotion in your job or hike in your job. So this is the time, this December month is the time for your achievement and success in your career life. Okay, you will be making good decisions in terms of your career. As I said, you will be investing for your long term goals. Also, what I feel that getting so much of abundance, getting so much of recognition and victory in your job, do not let it go to your head. Okay, there is lot of thing that to do more in your life, so be very down to earth. Okay, don't be immature, don't be like don't spread the word around. Be very matured enough to handle the situations. Okay, and if there is any kind of a delay in this, so you need to be patient. Okay, you need to look at the different perspective, why the things are getting delayed. Maybe it will come your way, that is for sure, but it will come on its own time. Okay, so universe give things as per their divine timing. Okay, now let's see the health. Spirit animal. Okay, so what I feel, that there is a lot of healing that is going to happen for pile 2. You need to take care of your head area. You may face headaches, or you may have some kind of a eye problem, which I feel. Okay, so take care of your eyes and your head. There will be otherwise there will be a lot of peace and harmony. If you have pets in your house, try to connect to them. Animal healing is also one kind of a healing that is said, and it is really good for it will give you peace and harmony if you try to connect to them. What I am telling is that pile 2 people, you are eating a lot of non-vegetarian, you people are eating a lot of non-veg in your diet, so restrict that. Okay, restrict that. It is time for you to become vegetarian, or if you're planning to become vegan, now is the time to become vegan. A lot of dietary changes that is going to take place in terms of non-veg kind of a thing. Otherwise, take care of your head, take care of your eyes, and practice yoga. What I feel, a lot of standing postures and sitting postures you need to look after, so practice yoga. Okay, so what things you need to surrender, pile 2? Let me see. Things that you need to surrender is surrender to passion. Okay, so this month you need to surrender to passion and have a good time to enjoy. Okay, so what I feel, that a lot of people, they are very strong headed, and they are not coming out of their comfort zone. So this is the time to come out of their comfort zone and focus on the activities and the people which is going to bring them the offer. Okay, and which is going to lead them to the success. So now is the time. If you surrender to passion, then only you will be able to grab the opportunities, and the people that is going to bring good news and good offers to your way, and then it will uh, you know uh, it will help you lead towards your success. So focus on the people and the activities that is going to happen, and that will ignite your passion, that will give a spark to your passion, and then let it flow. Okay, so what is that one universe message that I promised you in the pick a pile reading message? So let's see what message from the universe is there for you. Let me shuffle the card for you. Dear God, Goddess, Archangel, please help me for one message from the universe for pile 2. Okay, the universe is embracing you with love and warmth. Okay, pile 2. So the universe is giving you all the love and warmth that is required in this December month. So a lot of healing that is going to happen. You just need to look things in different perspective. Okay, though you think that the things are getting delayed and the things are not going well in my life, do not worry. The universe is taking care of that, and the universe is just trying to say, meditate and listen to your intuitions, and let the wheel of fortune, that the charm is also saying, go with the flow. Okay, do not worry, just go with the flow. One positive affirmation that you need to chant the entire month. Let me see one positive affirmation for pile 2. So healing energy. Every day I choose to send loving healing energies to the planet. What I do with my mind does make a difference. Okay, so as I said just now, that there is a lot of healing that is required for you, and the universe is also sending you the love and the warmth. Okay, and my mind is powerful healing tool. Okay, your mind is very very powerful healing tool. So concentrate, focus, listen to your intuition, and it is all talking about mind. Whatever success you will get, don't let it hit your mind, don't let it hit your ego. There's a lot of things that you need to do in your life and achieve your goals, long term goals. It is just that for this month you need to look things in a different perspective, and meditate and affirm that my mind is a powerful healing tool. Okay, so whatever is coming, welcome and go with the flow, and all the best. This was the reading for pile 2. Take what resonates, leave the rest behind. Hope you like my reading. Please do subscribe my channel Beyond Sense. Thank you. Okay, so those who have selected pile 3, let's see your reading for the month December 2021. Okay, so looking at the card, what I feel is you need to be focused in the month of December, and you need to keep yourself motivated. Also what I feel that you need to overcome your conflict and keep moving forward in positive direction. Okay, so you need to balance your energies and don't let your emotions overcome you in any form. It could be in the form of jealousy or argument or any kind of a competition that is going to take place in the month of December. Okay, people might say something that some things that will be not in your favor. Okay, so you need you don't get influenced by others. You need to be motivated and focused towards your aim and towards your goals. Okay, a lot of stamina and patience what I feel is required in December for pile 3. There could be some challenges in your love life also, which I can see in this card, and it encourages you to succeed them with inner strength. Okay, you can only overcome your challenges with your inner strength. Okay, if you want to achieve something, if you want to stay focused, you need to listen to yourself. You need to overcome your fears and anxiety. You need to move forward in a positive direction. You need to have that positive mind frame, and you need to keep yourself patient, and you need to build a lot of stamina to face all the challenges that will be coming your way in the month December 2021. Okay, and you have that in you. Okay, you have that courage, you have that strength in you to overcome any obstacles that is going to come in your way, or that can come in your way in December 2021, in this month. Okay, also if you are facing any kind of a, also what I feel, if you are facing any kind of a problem in your relationship, okay, you need to face it with full courage and strength. Okay, you need to be calm and patient. You don't need to be a very clingy and possessive in your relationship. You need to let go, give them space. Okay, avoid being selfish. Okay, you avoid being selfish. What I feel is, pile 3, you might be very selfish and might be thinking of yourself. So avoid being selfish and think for your partner also. Don't be possessive in the relationship. It might create problem for the other person. Okay, now this was the general reading for pile 3. Let's see your finances. Okay, too much is going at once. Okay, so pile 3, what I feel is that don't spend too much. Okay, you are spending too much and you are investing too much, and you're not able to keep that balance between your earning and spending. Okay, what I feel, you are spending too much rather than your earnings. Okay, so you need to maintain that balance. There could be some kind of a financial instability in this month. You will be managing between the status of your work and your home. Okay, there could be a lot of financial insecurities, which I feel, looking at this card also, that will be there for pile 3 this month. So be aware of your spendings and your earnings. Let's see your career. What the career have to say is 5 of earth. Okay, fears that are going to surround you with money. As I said earlier also, that there will be a lot of insecurity that is going to take place. Okay, in terms of finances. So there will be a lot of fears, as I said, that there will be a lot of fears that's going to take place. Okay, and if you are thinking of a job change, so pile 3, I will recommend, do not go for job change, as this is not suggested for you. Currently stay in the job which you are working, because it also indicates the period of unemployment and hardships. Okay, in your work status. So if you think that I change my job, so this is not the right time. So pile 3, please wait. Though I know you are facing a lot of insecurities in terms of your finances, though your finances are not going to be that stable this month, but do not think of a job change. Be in the same job, as if you change your job, it could lead you to unemployment. Okay, and it could lead you to hardships in finding another job. Okay, also pile 3, I feel there is some might lose the job. Okay, or some might be and there could be a lot of financial heavy losses in the business or bankruptcy. Okay, it could be a kind of a bankruptcy, what I feel. looking. So finance for fire pile 3 is not that great. There will be a lot of insecurities, so do more of savings rather on spending. Okay. If you are planning to sell any kind of a property, so do not wait for some time. Okay, pile 3, do not be in a rush, or do not take any hasty decision, as it could lead you to a negative, it could lead you to uh, negative result. Okay, so let's see the health for pile 3. Okay, honor your beauty, Angel Zophiel. First of all, what I feel is, looking at your finance, looking at the cards, there is a lot of anxiety that is going to take place due to this. Financial problem that is going to come your way. And also you need to work on your heart chakra, which I feel. Okay, you need to thank Archangel Zophiel. You need to work on your inner beauty. Okay, outer beauty is okay, but then along with the outer beauty also, you need to take care of your inner beauty. You need to heal the inner beauty entirely, especially the heart chakra. Okay, and you need to meditate a lot, as this issue could lead you to emotional trauma, emotional depression kind of a thing, or emotional anxiety. And there will be a lot of stress and insecurities that is going to take place in terms of health. So do meditate on your crown chakra, heart chakra, and root chakra. Okay, so this is what I feel. There is a lot of negativity that is going to take place. There is a lot of fears that is going to come in terms of finances, which I feel. Okay, so you have the strength and courage in you to overcome that fear. So you need to work within yourself, introspect within yourself, and take time for yourself, and come out of this emotional trauma, and heal yourself. Okay, heal the heart chakra. So what things that you need to surrender? Let me shift the card a little up. So what things you need to surrender? Oh my god, can you see this? Surrender fear. So that is what I was trying to tell you, pile 3, that you need to let go the fearful stories. Okay, you are telling yourself. So don't show yourself, don't just tell yourself all that. Don't be afraid of anything. Let go this fear. Okay, you have the courage to overcome your fear. You have the strength to fight any battle, any differences, whether it's in your relationship, whether it's in your finances. So you have the courage and ability to fight them. So surrender that fear, surrender the fear of insecurity, heal your heart chakra, and focus on the situation. Okay, and celebrate every baby steps forward. So you need to take small baby steps. Okay, for you so you need to take small baby steps. Okay, and do not be in a rush to change or make any important decisions in December month. Okay, and surrender your fear. Okay, so everything is going to be okay. Let's see the message from the universe that I had promised, that I will be taking one card from the message from the universe for pile 3. Let's see. Tell them how you wanted to be treated. They may not know that their ways are hurting you, I feel. Okay, so what I feel, that you need to word out your feelings to others. Okay, So you need to make them aware of your feelings. So whether it's in relationship, or whether it's in your finance, or whether overall, you need to just tell people that how you feel, okay, how you feel and how you want them to treat you. Okay, maybe you are going through a lot of trauma, maybe you're going through a lot of tensions, worries, fears. So you need to word out that to your partner. So maybe it could give you some kind of a relief. Okay, maybe their patterns, maybe their things are hurting you and you are not liking it. So you need to express yourself. Okay, you need to express and say, you need to surrender the fear that if I say, will they like it or not, if I tell them to change, will they do or not. So surrender all kind of fears here. Okay, whether it's in your personal life, whether it's in your normal life, whether it's in your finances. So that is the thing you need to heal. Your heart chakra, the fears that is there in your heart chakra, you need to let go, which is very much important. And you need to word out your feelings to your partner. Okay, so what is that one positive affirmation that you're going to chant this throughout month? Let's see the positive affirmation for pile 3. Positive affirmation. Affirmation. I am totally in charge of my life. Okay. So this is the positive affirmation that you are going to chant the entire month. The moment I say positive affirmation, I step out of the victim role. I am no longer helpless. I acknowledge my own power. So looking at the situation, you are not going to be in the victim role. Okay, the situation is trying to say, the universe is trying to say that chant this positive affirmation and you are no longer helpless. Okay, you need to realize your own power. That is what I'm trying to say from starting, that you have the courage, you have the strength. Okay, you have the willpower in you. It is just that you don't need to victimize yourself. You don't need to be in that victim situation. You need to come out of that area. You need to let go your past, let heal your entire situations, and say that I know what is my power. I can do. Okay, I have the strength in me. I can overcome my fears and I can change the situations. Okay, though the situation is not in my favor this month, but definitely it will be in future. Okay, so this was the reading for pile 3. Take what resonates, leave the rest behind. Hope you like my reading. Do subscribe my channel, Beyond Sense. Thank you for watching.